So, hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa, and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Okay, so today we are going to crack what's the new energy and what is happening. So, today we have the new moon, yes, which is happening on the April 27th. Yes, this is a very long new moon. Also, in the month of May, we're slowly stepping into the month of May, and in May, we have your Jupiter transit in the sign of Gemini, and we have also Rahu and Ketu, which are going to get into the next house of the travel anti-clockwise, right? So Rahu is going to enter in Aquarius, yes, and Ketu is going to enter in the sign of Leo, yes. So yeah, so stay tuned with me. What's the deck I'm going to use? Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to use the star, star. I just blanked out on the name. Someone is blank. I feel like your person, this is the star astro tarot, by the way. Yes. Someone, your divine masculine, is blank. I feel like he's shedding. I hear the word shedding. So I feel like he's shedding a lot of, old energy. He's getting rid of that. I feel like, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a quick shuffle, and we're gonna try to maximize and decode with this deck today. Yes, and convey the energy. Yes. Okay, so the first energy which I'm strongly getting is, the divine masculine is shedding a lot of his old energy. It can be patterns, it can be, he's trying to get off, things, people, his old habits. It's like a snake skin. I feel like shedding, or whatever you want to call it. Yes, I feel a lot of change. And let me tell you, I've been seeing this word, shedding from, I think yesterday, constantly. I was seeing this word. So I'm feeling like your person is shedding a lot of his old energy. Yes. Okay. So no matter how many times I shuffle, I see the Two of Cups below. Yes. So very strong. I feel like, oh my God, and the below card is Two of Wands. I see a Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So I feel like, you guys are really feeling each other's energy very strongly. Yes, with the Two of Wands and with the Two of Cups. That Two of Cups is my twin flame card. Yes, so I feel that very strongly. Yes, and I feel like your divine masculine is also feeling your energy very strongly, divine feminines. Yes. Okay, so with the Two of Cups and with the Two of Wands, I also feel like your person is really getting rid of some people also in his life. Yes, I'm not necessarily tapping into karmic. Yes, in this video, I'm going to tell about a new energy with this, with this I'm feeling. Because Two of Wands to me is like that nobody is allowed to come between you and your twin flame. Yes, by the way, it was raining here in Hyderabad, and oh my God, it is so hot. Yes, it's very sultry and humid. Yes, yeah. Anyway, so I feel like, there is no this is universe asking you to strengthen to strengthen the bond between you and your twin flame. Yes, your divine masculine. Because here we are talking about this, I want to tell you guys about something very important today in this video. Yes, so before that, I'm gonna pick one more card. Yes, Temperance. So this is universe asking you to create a balance and strengthen the bond that you and your divine masculine have. And I told about this, that this is where the orange and the gold click, because their only motive is, their motive is not to destroy the karmics. Their motive is very clear, to strengthen the bond that they have with their counterpart. Yes, so that is the motive which I see here. See, my eyes are catching on this rainbow. So with rainbow, let me explain to you another concept today. Yes, so generally when I speak of rainbow, what are the colors which you see? Your Vibgyor, right? Vibgyor. Yes, so violet is your purple aura. Indigo is like half blue and half blue is blue. Yes, and then you have your G, which is green aura, and then you have your Y. So yeah, Y is your yellow aura, O is your orange aura, and R is the red aura. Okay, so when I speaking of the rainbow, this is what is the topic today. I know what's the energy. So when I started my journey, in many of my videos, I spoke about seeing a purple snake for constantly 5 years. Yes, and this Deepa is, what do I say? Whatever I'm trying to say is what now this Deepa, like 2025 April Deepa, figured out and knows. So that Deepa does not know. It took a lot of energy, it took a lot of penance, it took a lot of spirituality to get to this point. Okay, so what I'm going to say is very important. Yes, so when let's put Vib here. Okay, so what is the karmic color that we are associating? Green. Yes, which comes exactly in the middle of VIB, G, and then YOR. Yes, so G comes exactly in the middle. This side you have VIB. So let's ignore indigo because I haven't come across any indigo aura. Yes, and it's mostly associated with your intuition, which is all about this journey. Yes, so let's talk about now two colors very specifically. So violet is associated with the crown chakra, and your blue aura is associated with your throat chakra. Yes, so blue is the color of Saturn, okay, and violet is the color of Venus. Yeah, and you have this side, right side to the G, which is YOR, which are very strong auras, your YOR. Yes, so red aura, so violet, from violet, which is like purple to red, there is a hell lot of difference between a purple aura. So yeah, so violet or your purple aura to red aura, there are a hell lot of difference. Okay, so now you must be thinking, in my karmic victory, I spoke about, when I talk about karmic victory, what is the color that comes in your mind? You think, you've mastered green aura, you've mastered the karmics and all of that. No. In this video, I'm going to explain what is that. Yes. And in this, if you see, the violet is a very thin line. When you come till R, it's a very thick line. You know that violet has the least, from far you can't see violet. From far, red has more intensity. Yes, from far you can see a red. Yeah. Now put this in your colors. Yeah. And purple aura is the only aura where even both men and female, like your male and female, both have same characteristics. For example, when I talk about a divine masculine, a red aura, and a divine feminine was a red aura. So in a divine feminine, a red aura, she becomes over, like everything is in over excess. Yeah, there is too much of courage. It needs to be slowed down. This is where orange clicks. Orange knows the perfect balance of courage, perfect rapport. It knows how to get, how to win a journey and all of that. Orange is, an improved version of a red. Yeah, red is like it's like a knight of sword or a knight of wand, jumping without thinking. Yes, now take a violet. So if I'm telling that red is very super speed, now violet is super slow. Yes, exactly opposite. Yeah, it's all in the colors. Let me tell you, you become the aura and the color you represent. Yes, what is your skin emitting? See, even if you're watching this video, you can see how much of gold I'm emitting. Yeah, it's very clear. Yeah, so yes, you are the aura you represent. You behave the aura you represent. For example, I get angry only when there is injustice or something is not right. Otherwise, I'm a very chilled out person. Yes, so but they get scared. People get scared of what would be my reaction if I find out. It's more of if I find out. Yeah, they don't stop the wrong, but it is more of like when I find out what would be my reaction. Yes, so now, like I said, in karmic victory is all about not mastering green aura or your karmic. No, karmics in a twin flame journey is for you to realize your strength, is for you to find out what are the optimistic positive traits in you, hidden in you, both your divine masculine and you. Yes, it is here to awaken your strength. That's why karmics are very important in a twin flame journey, because this is all about spiritually rising till you unite one with God. Yes, so in this video, yeah, so you must be wondering what is karmic victory. Yes, I want you to go back and watch the video. Yeah, that time whatever I knew to now confirmation. Yes. So karmic victory is not mastering green aura alone. Yes. It's yes, a little bit yes. Your karmics, you're mastered, they are finished or whatever you want to term it. Yes. Karmic victory is mastering the purple aura in your life. Yes, or the violet aura, whatever you want to call it. Yes. So you must be wondering what. Okay. And I spoke so many times in my video that I used to see for 5 years a purple snake in my tree. I always thought that okay, this purple snake, what does it mean? Maybe I'm running away from my mission and all of that. But now when I retrospect, so yeah, so when I retrospect, that 5 years when I saw this snake, I made a video wherein I said there is a purple aura in your person's life, in your divine masculine's life. So when I was seeing the snake, I was like, I am like, why am I haunted with this color? Yes, why? Yes, I made a video wherein I said that divine masculine, there is some purple aura in your divine masculine's life. And now when I retrospect, I also shared that I have many dreams wherein I see V's father, I'm serving him coffee, or I'm making him coffee. This is what I see. I've never heard the voice of this man. I've never heard I have seen my V's mother many times, but she spoke to me in the dreams also, but I never heard how is my V's dad's voice. I haven't heard. I don't know. So when I used to, offer coffee, I'll tell you a funny thing. When I used to offer coffee, I used to think, Sala kitna kadus hai. How rude is this man? He just doesn't say thank you. It's good. It's nice. Nothing. No reaction. And when I retrospect, my DM, was not haunted by, he was not, these karmics were there. For example, my karmic is a red aura. Okay, and this other man is a white aura. Yes. So when I retrospect, the 5 years that I saw, this purple snake, it means the main karmic was this purple aura person in my DM's life. Yes, that is why. So yeah, when I retrospect, my DM was fighting this purple aura. This karmics and all, it's okay, secondary. Yeah, they have an influence in him. It came out. He watched my channel. Blah 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 blah. Sab ho gaya, huh? His main, whatever is this side of him. Because if you see, if I take VIB, the first hit of a purple aura is a blue aura. That is why blue aura struggle the most to fight their insecurity. So what are the qualities of purple aura? Insecurity, gossiping, creating doubts in you. If I have to term a character, yes. So for example, if I take Mahabharata, Duryodhan is your green aura, okay? Which is, you can see the enemy. You can see the enemy live. But your purple aura is Shakuni. Means who planned the actual war. You're getting my point? So that, now put it in your divine masculine story. So when now I think, so V's struggle was not these karmics which are visible to my eyes. Yes, they are strong, yeah, they're aggressive, yes, they have an influence, blah, blah, blah. The hidden enemy or the hidden person that, provoked this angle in him is V's dad. Now it struck me, that is the purple aura that 5 years that I've seen. Okay, now cut to, obviously Deepa has to understand what is purple aura. So when you divine feminine also go through what your divine masculine goes through, and your divine masculine also goes through what you as a divine feminine went through. For example, whatever I went through in the starting of the journey, we went through now. Yes, especially in this past 3 years. Yes. So in Mahabharata, if you would kill Shakuni, why did Shakuni do that? Because he was angry, his sister married a blind man. From there it started. Yeah. So all that, it went on. Even Krishna had to use a lot of mind games. Yes. So it's all about that. So I'll tell you why I'm saying this. And this is a Deepa after achieving so much karmic victory. And like I said in my previous video in the meditation, when you are in a meditation phase, especially in the Parvati phase, you understand so much of strength, or how much you have a calmer vision because you have cut out everything and you can see everything clearly. Yes. So in my life, let me tell you, my life, I had the best parents, everything golden, rosy dozy. Yeah, I went through a lot of ups and downs, and I feel like the major fall in my life was when I lost my dad. Yes. So everything was rosy dozy. In my life, I don't have any purple aura. Yes. But I have to understand what my counterpart went through with this purple aura. Yes. So cut to, I was actually, so now when I think about it, even when I say I saw for 5 years only purple snake in my dream, it haunts me. I wanted an answer of what the fuck is this. Somebody just tell me. Yeah. Even now the thought of it irritates me. Yes. So Deepa has to understand what my divine masculine went through with this purple aura. So cut to, a purple aura was put in my life. For 3 years I saw stars. Yeah. Let me tell you, for me, karmic victory is, karmic victory is not alone your green aura. It is mastering your purple aura. Is mastering, all this purple energy and purple aura. That is the karmic victory. Yes. So the first question that I have is, identify who's your purple aura in your DM's life. Yes. Who is it? Yeah. It is not the karmic that you see. It is a different person. Like I said, the Duryodhana and the Shakuni. Yes. So this person is actually, or this energy is actually a divine masculine fighting. For example, when you put in words, if I go by the color exactly like your Vibgyor, yes. So, the first target would be blue aura. Yes, then is the green aura. So, what violet or the purple aura is it does all the culprit, and the person in front is the green aura. We are so focused on the green, this green aura, yeah, and the green energy of the karmic, that we are not seeing this hidden enemy actually behind. Yes, when I think about it, this side was not because of these karmics. Yeah, in fact, way before, 4-5 years before itself, this man opened his eyes, saw about these people and all of that. But what was he struggling with? This, purple aura person or energy or whatever happened to him all his life with this purple aura person. So when I, in 3 years, saw this much stars, still I achieved karmic victory. You have to go and watch my karmic victory video. This much stars in 3 years, I can, retrospect 100 times of that is, what my divine masculine went through. Yes. So what are, if you take, for example, if your divine masculine is yellow aura, yes, so the influence is less. If he is orange aura, even lesser. If he is red aura, you're understanding me why I said that the divine masculine red aura. So yes, I think now you understood why I say divine masculine red aura energy is the ideal energy. If the person itself is red aura, like Virat Kohli, or like my soulmate, then it's Sone Pe Suhada, yeah. But other colors like your blue, your yellow, orange, even these can represent red aura energy. Yes. So what you must be wondering, like I said, that Shakuni did this because first anger he had was his sister married a blind man. The first anger which he had was that. So you might be wondering why purple aura do this. So let me tell you, purple aura doesn't care. You have a hi-fi career, you have name, you have fame, you have money. What are they jealous of? Actually, if I have to, put on a scale, if green aura is more jealous, yeah, or purple aura is more jealous, the purple aura beats the meter, yeah. So green is something which you are seeing with your eyes. So your karmic in your story is something which is visible, but there is a hidden enemy. Yes. So who is the purple aura in your divine masculine's life is the question that I'm asking. I know who it is. For example, in this dream where I'm always serving him coffee, it shows 2 things. That he wants to be treated royal. Yes. And the second thing, always I see my divine masculine complaining about him. So who can, clash with a purple aura, if I have to put it like that? Yes, two colors. And I said that in the orange aura video. Gold and aura. Gold and orange. These two colors. Red will not even, listen to a purple aura fully. Red is a very strong color represented by Mars. Yeah, red will cut out immediately. Yeah, the main main lessons. So yes, in 5D. So what does it signify when I'm giving coffee or whatever? It is happening in 5D. So in 5D, I see my divine masculine feeling protected because I am there. So if you want to teach a purple aura lesson, two aura colors can do that. One is gold and one is orange. Yes, and I always say that if I have to put a deputy, I will put an orange aura person as a deputy. Yes, so these two colors come to teach a violet or a purple aura very harsh lessons. इतना मतलब पूरा सबक सिखाएंगे that you have to not be like this. So you may be having a question, what if you as a divine feminine are a purple aura? It means it's a very clear cut, let me on a scale, if I have to put a divine feminine pie chart, in that 1% is gold aura, yeah, 5% is purple aura, yeah, 10% is green aura, 20% is orange aura, yeah, the rest 30% is white aura. Yes, there is a divine feminine who is a white aura, and the best example for this is Aishwarya Rai is divine feminine white aura. Okay, and the larger part is divine feminine red aura. So divine feminine red aura is very common. Like I said, divine masculine white aura is very common. You getting me? So the subset. So for the 5%, there is only 1% gold aura and 20% orange aura. So orange aura is more, yeah, to teach a lesson. So if I have to take the Vidyar, so the biggest target or the biggest bakra is a blue aura. So first, blue aura is captured. Yes, then it's very tough. Like a violet aura or a purple aura can never reach a red aura. So yes, in 5D, my divine masculine felt safe. When this divine masculine felt safe when this purple aura person is in the home, because I am there to handle. And sometimes I feel that he's not speaking or whatever, it's because I have disciplined him. Sometimes it feels like that. I feel like this purple aura need to be disciplined. Yeah. So this purple aura. Now if you ask me why purple aura do this, so they are not bothered of your money, your name, fame, your career, nothing. What triggers them? Two things what triggers them is love and beauty. Beauty is to a lesser, maybe 80% is love. So purple auras are love deficit. They never find love. Yeah, means love, I'll tell you, it is not only in your counterpart. Love is, as a sibling, as a a parent, as a mother, as a child, etc., etc. Love is, different forms. So love is what triggers this. So from a purple aura, always protect your love story. Yes, this is what I'm telling with this video openly. Yes. So from a purple aura, always protect your love story, because that is why orange aura, I always say you are the highest evil eye. You need to protect yourself. Yes, orange aura is the highest evil eye. Yes, so you have to protect your story. Yes, your love story. So be very careful. If you see if a purple aura sees there is love in this person's life, or there is love, yeah, that is the trigger. So yeah, so love is the trigger point. When a purple aura sees someone more beautiful or someone who has good things better than them, and it need not be, they don't give a damn about name, fame, money and all this. It's beauty and love. These are the two trigger points of a purple aura. So in purple aura, a man and a woman both have the same energy. is the only aura which, for example, if a divine masculine purple aura, divine masculine red aura, he behaves differently. That's the ideal aura. Yes, and the divine feminine red aura behaves differently. So the best example of this is your Ben Affleck and J-Lo. Yes, so you're getting me that now red, violet and red. So if violet is in North Pole, R, your red aura is in South Pole. That much difference is there. Yeah, your equator. So yes, your green is your equator. Very silly way to explain. Yes. So now you're getting me why your divine masculine need to be in the red aura energy in the last, because he has to stay away from this violet. See, need not be you have to stay away from a person. I'm here talking about an energy. Okay. Now you may be having a question. What about divine feminine who is a purple aura? In this case, this is a very unique case. So why you become a purple aura? It means you have done the job of ghee in fire in your past life. So when I talk about past life, it means sati. So you have put ghee. You know the story of Revati? Why moon has, Amavasya, 15 days he reduces, 15 days he grows to a full moon. Why sun, why Shiva put him on his head? Why? It's because Revati went and complained to his father that he only loves one person, that is Rohini. He does not care about us. So this chugli is what you have done in your past life as Sati. You have put ghee, and the main reason for wars, exactly like Shakunu. When I come here to make such content, understand that there is a lot of retrospection and nothing comes out in my channel like that. Yes, in my karmic victory video, that time, more than that time, I have a better clarity now. Yes, because now I have reached a stability. So because of this ghee job that you have done in your past life, you become purple aura. So what is the punishment? You have to see other love stories. Other love stories succeed before you. Yes, this is the one. And you may be wondering why you're divine, if you are a divine feminine who's purple aura, why? What happens? If you are a divine feminine who's purple aura, it means the biggest enemy of your divine masculine. So yeah, your punishment is to see others madly in love, deeply in love, others achieving success before. This is a case for every purple aura. What you don't want is what happens. Yes, so be it man or a woman. Okay, now you may have a question, if I am a divine feminine who is purple aura, this means that you are the biggest enemy of your divine masculine. Yes, your divine masculine is, there is no purple aura in your divine masculine's life. Remember, I'm not talking about the karmic. Yes, I'm talking about he has to fight you. So even before anybody kills your divine masculine, you will finish him. Yeah, so it means that. So divine feminine purple aura means you hate your twin flame or divine masculine the most. So your divine masculine is fighting you, which is a very tough war. Yes, so in this case, all stories, everyone will be 10 steps ahead of you, and you would be in this puzzle, that what am I doing wrong, why are they achieving? Yes, but when you retrospect, and let me tell you, only 2 aura colors will come to teach you this: gold and orange. Like I say, like I tell you, if you have chosen for this journey, it is your duty to finish it. Yeah, so God is going to show the path. So these 2 colors come to teach you the right direction. Yes, let me tell you a little bit effect even the gold and orange have in this process of teaching. For example, I tell with openness that the 3 years were, my biggest downfall in my twin flame journey. Yes, I suffered the most when this purple aura was around. Yes, so let's take Mahabharata again as example. So you're telling me Dharmaraj and Duryodhan were stupid that they were playing this game, and Dharmaraj lost everything. They went into, they went as Mufti, like they went in disguise and all of that. Yes, so they're not stupid. But I'll tell you, to identify a purple aura's intentions, it's gonna take you years, dude. For example, if there is this agriculture land which is fully soil, fertile, it will become khanjar, it will become barren land, is when you will realize that this purple aura was a problem. Yeah, full in the end. Movie khatam ho gaya, then you will understand. Yeah. So if I have to tell who is the villain of Mahabharata, it is not. Duryodhana is second. Number one is Shakuni. Yeah. So this job. So love triggers a purple aura. If they see others in love, if they are getting in any form of love, let me tell you, it need not be only the partner. Partner, yes, majority. Yes. And of the a silly thing, I'll tell you, everyone go to confide in a purple aura only. Their love story. They tell their internal secrets. And I'll tell you what is this? This is their weapon. This is their weapon. They will go and use your secret and go and tell others. You never have, it's a non-Scorpion quality. So in your 12 zodiacs, who is the best secret keeper is a Scorpion. You can read about this even in online, yes. A Scorpion will die with your secret, but never tell a second soul, even if it is their husband, boyfriend, whatever. Yeah? It'll never reveal the secret. Yeah? Now come for a purple aura, it is anti. The purple aura self goes and tells your secrets to others. And this is a weapon. Yeah? So, your person is battling not a green aura, it is a purple aura. Yeah? So, yes, so even when it comes to disrespect, even if your father in law or your father is disrespecting you, you have to raise your voice and stand up. Yes? So, this is what I've done in my 5D dream. Yes? So, my twin flame felt safe if I am around. Like I say, there are two colors which can handle a purple aura, a gold and an orange. These come to show you the direction and teach you a path and teach you a lesson. Yes? So, this journey is all about lessons. Sorry, dude, you have to go through them. Yes. So, what, like I say, the purple aura is triggered majority 80% by love, 20% by beauty. Yes. So, that is why a beauty of a karmic or etc. triggers them. Beauty of other divine feminines triggers them. Why? This is the reason. Even they doubt their own divine masculine with other divine feminines. Yes. So, this process is what you need to master and fight. Yes. This is the reason their biggest punishment is they have to see others win, others succeed, other stories succeed. Yes, this is a punishment. See, every aura has a punishment. Yes, and let me tell you, even I became Bakra to this purple energy, being a gold aura dude. Even I went through 3 years of hell because I had to understand how my blue aura divine masculine went through this. So, my number one question to you, through a retrospect, who is your divine masculine? It can be his mother, sister, blah blah, friend, best friend, whatever. Who is the purple aura in your divine masculine's life? Yes? Yeah? So, I'll tell you how it is. So, when I was in touch with this purple aura, she used to tell, or he used to tell, it can be in your story. They tell one thing, but exactly opposite I would see in the dream. I would see in the dream where she's mixing poison in my food, where she's handing me over to the karmic. Yeah, so these are the intentions, real intentions. Yeah. So yeah, so I am at a service of when which video comes to tell me. Yeah, the energy in my channel. Yes. So retrospect, who is the purple aura in your person? Yes. So yeah. So these internal thoughts. Let me tell you, I always knew what are the internal thoughts. I would not believe what is being said live. Yeah. So with the purple aura, you need to act. That is the best what orange aura do. For example, a purple aura will go and tell, don't watch Deepa's video. But the orange aura will secretly, in secrecy, do the same thing. Yeah. But tell a purple aura that I don't see, I don't even know what she's doing. So that is the game that you need to play. Do the exact opposite. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So moving on, what is that? Le bhai sahab, tower aa gaya. It's the tower. So yeah. So when a purple aura sees, your stuff, for example, like I said in my divine masculine's case, I know who is the purple aura. Their things are not working. So what would they do? Like I say, their weapon, everybody go and tell their secrets to a purple aura. Yes. Like, exactly like Shakuni. They trusted him. Yes. So they will go and tell your secrets to others. That this person did this person that did that. That person, this is going on. This till you don't stop this, there not an inch in your story it will move. Everything will circle back more and more in your story. Yes. So be careful. Yes. Okay. So 8 of Pentacles. So I am seeing a lot of work that you put in your divine feminine, in your like puja and penance and all of that. Your divine masculine, I feel like he's shedding patterns. So let me tell you. So yeah, so anything you told a purple aura, socho bhasm ho gaya. It will never happen. Yeah. So because that jealous and evil eye is so much, and the main aura that need to protect themselves is orange aura. Yeah, and I tell this very strongly. Yes, I know you guys are that side of the green aura, and I feel like green aura is like, khulla dushman. Like you can see everything that they do, even in the case of divine feminine. Yeah, I feel like they're just very open, blunt. But there are no negative qualities in a divine feminine who's green aura. They're very blunt, they're mufat, they're very straightforward. Yeah, with their tongue. They're very sharp with their tongue. Yeah. And I'll tell you, because green represents heart, yes. So nothing is there in their heart. They're just very blunt, sharp with their words. But sadly, I can't tell that about purple. You have to read about Sukracharya, Venus. What is the story? How we went inside Lord Shiva. All this story you have to read. And if I can, I'll tell in my futuristic video. Okay, so with 8 of Pentacles, I feel like, I'll tell you, when I achieve karmic victory, I know why I'm making this video. Because there are people who achieve karmic victory. Orange, right? So orange. So like I told, 2 colors have achieved karmic victory. If you, recognize. First is obviously gold. Yes. Second is what? Orange. If I leave me also, first orange. So now you understand that when I say karmic victory, it means they have mastered their purple aura and energy. That is why when you see divine masculine and divine feminine colors, where divine masculine is blue, because even if red represents, that Mars energy, blue represents the emotional aspect. If you see, Virat mellowed down to this soft man of a blue energy. Yes. So, and now divine feminine, if you see, all videos represent a purple heart. So yeah, so the divine feminine have the purple heart. Even in my channel before I, recognized I'm gold aura and all of that, I used to represent with purple heart. Yes. So what is that? It means you're battling purple energy, divine feminine. Not only if there is a purple aura in your life, it's your divine masculine who is the purple aura in your divine masculine's life. And if you are a divine feminine who's purple aura, it means you are the enemy of your divine masculine. You will target your divine masculine because he's not loving like other divine masculines. Yes, you will gunshot your divine masculine even before others do it. Yes, in reality, yes, like I said, in divine feminine green aura, the divine masculine is very spiritually ahead. Like that, in divine feminine purple aura, your divine masculine is battling you only. Yeah. Okay, too intense energy. Okay, let's see. Today I'm not doing my LG stand by me because there is no charge in that. Yeah, and today we had a lot of power cut. Yes. Yeah. Okay. 9 of Cups. So after you mastered purple energy, purple and all that, I'll tell you, when this purple aura person sees you master, is when they actually learn, when they retrospect. Yeah. So let me tell you, by the time you realize who is the purple aura person, the game is over. Yeah. So it is retrospection. It is retaliation. I want to use the word retaliation. So yeah. So after you take the bullet from the purple aura is when you have to retaliate, like you would understand. Yes. It is on how sooner would you understand. So a gold understands the quickest. Because God talks to me in dreams. I understood the intentions way before. Yes. And next is orange. Yeah. So yeah, next is green aura. Yeah. So I think, if I have to rank, somehow, I don't know, that's the energy which is coming in my channel. See, for me, all colors are same too. Yeah. So I am seeing that there is a pattern with orange and then there is green following. Yes. Then I don't know who is next. I am doubting. I think so it is red. Yes. So let's see. I don't know. कुछ आया नहीं है मेरे चैनल पे. There is nothing on my channel. Yes. So last card. What is the last card? Emperor. Yeah. So who is this person? Today the homework is that identify who's the purple aura in your divine masculine's life. And if there is an orange aura person that you know, yes, in your divine masculine clan, in your divine feminine clan, yes. I, for example, I know a divine feminine orange aura whose purple aura is the her divine masculine's mother. Yeah, like in my case, it is the father. In her case, it's the mother. So, yeah. So, to discipline, orange aura, there are two things. A gold aura will teach you, show the way. Yes. Orange aura will slap you and teach away. Yes, there are two routes, a calmer version or a, for example, if I am very witty, yes, I know where to hit. That a quality of a scorpion, if you see Shah Rukh and all these people have, yes. So I'm very sharp with my tongue. I will not shout on you. I will not use one cuss word, but I know how to teach you a lesson. Yeah. So that's my scorpion quality. So on that thought, my lovelies, who's the purple aura in your divine masculine's life? So once, how it feels when you achieve a karmic victory. Once you come out, oh my God, King of Wands. So how does it feel? You come out of this purple energy of purple aura. You feel wonderful. It's cloud nine. Yeah. So yes, my lovelies, that is it for this video. Yes. Let me meet you guys in the next video in the cracking the new energy. What would be the new energy? Yes. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Mwah. Bye guys.